everyone, today I'll be doing a get ready with me, and I'll be using the products that came in my July Boxycharm right here. And the first item I see is a Farm CY Brighten On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Here. Be right back and wash this off. So this is the aftermath. I guess I get a little bit red sometimes when I use face masks, depending. I'm gonna be priming my face using the Color Effects Blurring Primer. I'm already seeing that the Shayla Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow is a brow product. I didn't use it, but I'll use it in a different tutorial. The eyebrows I did was from Benefit Brow Precisely. It's right here. I did an eyebrow tutorial using doing these eyebrows since I got it from Influencer on palette. I'll be using this today. The first color I'm going to be using is this one right here. I'm going to be using this one right here. So I'm just building up the eyeshadow more to make it more intense. Applying this shimmer right here, and I'm gonna be applying it with my fingers. I'm going back with this color right here. Pretty Vulgar the ink in the color Blacklist, and I'm not gonna do a wing today. I'm just gonna smoke it out. I'm gonna be using this brownish color, and I'm gonna try and smoke it out. I'm gonna add now this brown color in here. doing the same thing to the other eye. I'm gonna try and blend it out now. Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And I'm going to be applying my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to be doing my foundation, and you all know I like using the Maybelline New York Superstay in Classic Ivory. And I'm gonna be using an e.l.f. small stipple brush. I'll be using the blue blender to blend out whatever I have. I didn't blend. To conceal, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Light Ivory. I'll be using the Precision Formula Butter Bronzer. I always use the Extra Naturally Natural. Palette, I'm gonna be using this one right here under the eye. Now to remove my powder, I'm gonna be using the Aesthetica P12 brush. For blush, I'll be trying out the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and it's in the shade 05 Desert Rose. This is the way it looks. And I'll be using a crown brush. This is pretty pigmented, so you don't need a lot. I'm gonna have to blend it out because I feel like it's a little bit harsh. To highlight the brow and the inner corner, I'll be using this one right here. want to tense the inner corner by applying the Pure Cosmetics sculpture, and I'll be using Trailblazer. To highlight, I'm going to be using a Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush, and I'm going to be using both the crown brush and the sculpture palette. I'm going to be using this right here. And I'll be using Trailblazer again to intense the highlight. I'll be contouring my nose with the butter brush. Some freckles on just for fun, since I see that it's a trend. I'm gonna go with this one right here. I'll be using the NewYork Superstay Matte Ink and Poet. And I'll be using the Desi New York. And reapply the Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara to the bottom lashes now. So I'm not picking the freckles, so I'm just gonna blend it out. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed, and like, subscribe, and comment down below what your thoughts were about this look, and if you liked it,